Welcome to Chemistry Buzz. In this video, I will discuss the fragmentation of molecule part 2. First of all, let us see the bulky group lives as a radical. So we have already discussed. Let us take the example CH3, CH3, 2, CH2, CH3. Okay. In this molecule there is no lone pair of electron or pi electron, only CC sigma electron and CH sigma electron. That is sigma bonds only. So the ionization may occur at this point. So fermi is a molecular ion, or ionization may occur in this point forming the molecular ion. Okay. So if this bond will be ionized, this will give you CH3, CH2 dot plus CH2, CH3. So this is the molecular ion, and this will give rise to the CH3 dot plus CH2, CH2, CH2. So then the fragmentation will occur next to the carbon atom. So this bond may fragment. So one electron from this bond may migrate to this place. So this will form a bond and this will form as a radical. Okay. So now you will get CH3, CH2 plus CH2, CH3 radical. And here this bond may dissociate or this bond may dissociate. So if the electron, one of the electron from this bond is migrating to this point, then you will get CH3 dot free radical plus CH2 plus CH2, CH3. Okay. So the statement is a bulky group lives as a radical, and at this point you have also the hydrogen bond. Okay. There is this bond is probable to be dissociated, and here also the H bond is there, CH bond, but the CC bond failed. CC bond ଏଠି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ନା ଆମର bulky group live as a radical. So this is a bulky group and this is a bulky group. So bulky group live as a radical. So in order to satisfy this condition, so instead of breaking the CH bond, the CC bond will break here. So the next rule is the alkyl substituted aromatic compounds cleavage is very probable at the beta to the ring, the bond beta to the ring. So this is the aromatic ring, then this is the alpha bond, and this is the beta bond. Also this is the beta bond, and you see this hydrogen also, this hydrogen is also beta bond, but this bond will break. This bond will break to give the radical, because breaking of this bond gives rise to a bulky group, that is R. Okay. So bond beta to the aromatic ring is break. So this is also called as this is the aromatic ring. So this is CH2 is alpha. Okay, this is alpha group, and this H is alpha hydrogen, this is alpha carbon. Okay, so this is otherwise called as a alpha fission. Okay, alpha cleavage or alpha fission. So যেতবেলে আমরা এই আলফা ফিশন হচ্ছে বা বিটা বন্ড ব্রেক করছি তাহলে আমরা এটি গোটে বেনজিল কাটায়ন ফর্মেশন হচ্ছে. ওকে, so this is benzene cation, and this benzene cation is stable due to the resonance. Okay, and this resonance, these two structures further give rise to this one. Okay, so again these structures, in these structures there is 1,2 hydrogen shift to give this ion, and this is called tropylium ion. Okay, this is your tropylium ion. Okay, so preferentially the bond beta to the aromatic ring or the alpha fission occurs. So we will take some more example on this alpha cleavage. Okay, so for alpha cleavage, let us see the example CH3 CH OH OH. So this is the ethanol, and here the lone pair of electron on oxygen is there. So as ionization it will form the molecular ion. So electron will be removed from the oxygen atom, and so this is this bond, this is 1 2. Okay, so this is the alpha bond and beta bond, but this is the alpha carbon atom because this bears the functional group. So যেতবেলে আমরা এঠু গোটে ইলেকট্রন এঠারু গোটে ইলেকট্রন মাইগ্রেট করিব এই জায়গাକୁ তাহলে we will get this is the H ethanol. So we will get CH3 CH double bond OH plus, and if this bond will ये जो bond अच्छी এটা भी 2 number bond. Okay, and this is also called the alpha cleavage. এটি जो দুইটো ইলেকট্রন আছে গোটে ইলেকট্রন যদি এটিকে মাইগ্রেট করিব তাহলে this will give you the CH3 dot plus CH2 double bond OH plus. Okay, so this fragment cation have a different m by e value, and this has also different m by e value, and these two will be recorded in the mass spectra. Okay, suppose take another example, that is a CH3 CH HCl. Okay, chloroethane. So here there is a lone pair of electrons on chlorine, and differential ionization रे हमर एठो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करिवो, and this will form the radical cation. Total radical cation होबो. So this is the alpha hydrogen, and this is the alpha hydrogen अछि, or this is the alpha methyl, because this methyl group will link to the alpha carbon, or we can say beta bond. This is the alpha bond and this is beta bond, or 1 2. Okay, so when this bond এই যে bond দুটি ইলেকট্রন আছে গোটে ইলেকট্রন এটা বলে এটি শিফট করিব, this will give you the CH3 CH double bond Cl plus plus H free radical एठी जेतेबेले गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन एठी शिफ्ट करछि आ एठी ऑलरेडी गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि ता सहित मिसिकी गोटे डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन करछि जदि एठी भी जो बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि ए इलेक्ट्रॉन रो गोटे एठी शिफ्ट करे ताहले दिस विल गिव यू the CH3 radical plus CH2 double bond Cl plus. Okay, and this structure will further resonance stabilize, that is CH2 plus Cl if this bond will migrate to this. Also this structure will be resonance stabilized when this bond will migrate to this and this will form CH3 CH plus Cl. Okay, so and this cation has its m by e value and this has its m by e value. So from the m by e value in mass spectra we can say this fragment we can suggest the mode of fragmentation of the molecule. Okay, so let us take another example. Say the compound having the double bond only. Okay, so say CH2 CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2. So amar जेतेबेले आयोनाइजेशन होबो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करिवो सो ए जो पाई बॉन्ड अछि पाई बॉन्ड रु एठी हमरो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन थिबो सो दिस विल बी मॉलिक्यूलर आयन सो जेतेबेले एटा मॉलिक्यूलर आयन होछि ताहले हमरो एठी दुटा प्रोबेबिलिटी रहउछि जे सो दिस इज द अल्फा दिस इज द नेक्स्ट बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक सो ए बॉन्ड की जेतेबेले एठी ब्रेक करि पारिबो एठी ब्रेक करिवो अदरवाइज दिस हाइड्रोजन जो बॉन्ड रहिछि ए बॉन्ड रो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन एठी नै पारिबो सो द फर्स्ट केस देखिले हमरो जो बेटी ए बॉन्ड रो कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड करी जाउछि सेठी सो वी विल गेट CH3 CH2 3 radical plus इठी कोन हो ना CH double bond CH2 plus इठी हमरा प्लस चार्ज रहइबो जदि ए जो हाइड्रोजन रो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन एठी जाय ताले एठी कोन हो ना दिस विल गिव यू द C3 CH2 इठी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हिजबो CH एक रिमूव हो जाएगी सो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH2 इट रहेगा प्लस रहेगा ओके सो दिस विल गिव यू द m by value different and this will also give you different m by value and you will get the different fragments. So amar it is a bulky group जेतेबेले remove होछि so this will be more pure that means ए जो आयन फ्रैगमेंट रो जो पीक के आसीबो तार रिलेटिव इंटेंसिटी अधिक रहबो okay so let us take the another example having the pi bond and non bonding electron from the pi bond and non bonding electron okay so आगे वर्तमान pi bond देखिले और non bond देखिले सेपरेटली वर्तमान गोटे एग्जांपल नबा जतरे देखिबा दुटा जक बॉन्ड रहिछि CH3 CH2 CH double bond O so एठी हमर pi bond रहिछि एंड lone pair of electron रहिछि so total molecular ion formation होबो प्रेफरेंशियली हमर ऑक्सीजन रो lone pair रो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करिवो so in this case this will be the molecular ion So जदि एटा हमर molecular ion हला ताहले so this bond may click or this bond may click जदि हमर प्रथमे हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करे रेडिकल ताहले हम कोन पाइबा ना you will get CH3 CH2 CH2 C triple bond O plus एटा पाइबा जदि हमर प्लस हाइड्रोजन होछि रेडिकल बट bulky group लीवेज रेडिकल bulky group रिमूव होवार रेडिकल भाबरे bulky group रिमूव होवार विशेष पॉसिबिलिटी रहिछि सो दिस बॉन्ड वी क्लिक जदि ए बॉन्ड क्लिक होबो ताले हमहु दबो CH3 CH2 CH2 this is a free radical plus HC triple bond O plus. So this cation will be formed for this type of fragment and this cation will form for this fragment and these fragments are called the alpha fissure or beta bond breaking. Okay. So in this way we have seen how the fragmentations are occurring. So now let us see the next point, that is the next rule, that is 7. The carbon-carbon bond next to the heteroatom are frequently cleaved, leaving the charge on the fragment containing heteroatom. So जदि गोटे मॉलिक्यूल रे हेटेरोएटम रहिछि ताले तो से हेटेरोएटम रो ही इलेक्ट्रॉन के रिमूव होबो and the molecular ion will be formed. So in this molecule the Y is treated as a heteroatom and the molecular ion is formed by removal of electron from the heteroatom. So the bond next to the heteroatom ए जो बॉन्ड अछि ए बॉन्ड टी नुहे यार पाख बॉन्ड टी एठी ब्रेक करिवो एंड आल्सो हियर यू हैव दिस हाइड्रोजन ये जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड एठी रहिछि ओके हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड अछि ए बॉन्ड पे एठी ब्रेक करबार प्रोबेबिलिटी रहुछि किंतु हमें देखिले जे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ bulky group as radical favors सो जदि ए बॉन्ड टी माइग्रेट करिवो ताले हम कोन पाइबा ना methyl radical पाए methyl radical and CH2 double bond to O plus R and ये जो radical cation पाए this is resonance stabilized to give you this one. Okay, so because this radical is a resonance stabilized, so formation of this radical is favored and this will be this its m by e value will be shown in the mass spectrum. Say another example, let us take the ketone. So in ketone the oxygen is the heteroatom in the exact. So the lone pair of electron on oxygen atom is used for the ionization. So the plus charge developed on oxygen atom. Then bond next to the alpha, the bond next to the heteroatom are break. So यार next bond होछि एटा आ गोटे bond होछि हमर एटा ओके सो दीटा bond ब्रेक करिवार संभावना रहिछि सो दीटा bond ब्रेक कले we will get two different type of ions. So जदि हमर जो फर्स्ट bond टी ए जो bond टी ब्रेक करूछि ताला हमर R we are getting as a free radical and here it will be triple bond and this triple bond is again resonance due to resonance this cation is stable. Okay, similarly we can get if this bond polarizes or this bond breaks. Okay, so next the okay, so we have the next the cleavage is often associated with the elimination of stable neutral molecules. So ଆମର जो बॉन्ड भांगुची बॉन्ड भांगवा द्वारा जो radical formation होची and there is also possibility of formation of neutral molecule. If the possibility of formation of neutral molecule is there, then that is the most favored. So neutral molecule कौन है पारे? That is the carbon monoxide, olefins. We have already seen that is the ethylene form, and water molecule, ammonia, H2S, hydrogen cyanide, HCl, thioether, ketene, or alcohols. Okay. So we have the carbon monoxide होची तार molecular mass होची 28. So यदि हमर गोटे आयन फॉर्मेशन अछि M+ तार 28 माइनस हला पर मास नंबर हमें आउछे ताहले जो रेडिकल पाइबा ताहले we propose that elimination may be due to carbon monoxide. Also the ethylene elimination is responsible for 28 mass decrease. Mass 28 unit decrease करिवो तो ethylene molecule neutral molecule भाव बाहर जाए. यदि water molecule बाहर जाए ताहले mass 18 unit decrease करिवो. ammonia पाई 17 unit, H2S पाई 34 unit and HCl पाई 27 unit decrease करिवो. So केते mass decrease करूची parent ion थारु से अनुसार हमें propose करि परिबा जे जो fragment हेची जो neutral molecule थी सेटा कोन. So for example, so you consider this is a butanol, and the butanol देखिबा एठी हमर होइछि आयोनाइजेशन हबो तो ऑक्सीजन ऊपर जो लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि सेठो गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव होला पर मॉलिक्यूलर आयन फॉर्मेशन होला. ये मॉलिक्यूलर आयन फॉर्मेशन होला पर एठी रीअरेंजमेंट होछि. So with the rearrangement होछि, so this is the alpha, beta and gamma. So this is the gamma hydrogen. So gamma hydrogen थिले से प्रथमे rearrangement हबो. That is the rearrangement हेबा द्वारा जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज हेटेरो एटम अछि ता पाखु से चली जेबो. ताहले we will get this radical. Okay. So एटा पाइला पारे एठो एटा जो बॉन्ड पेयर अछि बॉन्ड पेयर ऑक्सीजन को मूव करिवो तो मूव करले we will get water molecule. Okay. And the radical, this will be the radical cation. So this radical cation जेतबेला हम फॉर्मेशन हेछि अगेन हमर कोन होबो ना तार जो अल्फा बॉन्ड रहिछि इठी गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करिवो ताले इठी जो बळका इलेक्ट्रॉन गोटे रहि गला आ यार गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि जे भी इठी फेसियो इठी डबल बॉन्ड हेछि. So you will get CH2 double bond CH2. So again you are getting another neutral fragment and also CH2 plus dot. Okay. So this is the fragment. So I am देखिले जे gamma hydrogen remove होछि rearrangement होछि. So already हमें गोटे नवा प्रकार rearrangement को जाउछु. Okay, so rearrangement followed by alpha cleavage. So that is called the McLaughlin rearrangement. So that is very important in the mass spectrometry. Okay, so in McLaughlin rearrangement, first the gamma hydrogen transfer occurs followed by alpha cleavage. So alpha cleavage and gamma hydrogen transfer, that is McLaughlin rearrangement, that we will see in the next video. I hope this video is helping you in studying and understanding the mass spectrometry. Thank you for watching.